Introducing the sleek and powerful 2022 Cupra Formentor 2.0tdi 150HP in striking red. This estate beauty is equipped with a myriad of comfort, safety and technology features to enhance your driving experience. From Bluetooth phone connectivity to lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. Not to mention the exterior towbar preparation and interior cup holders for added convenience. With security features like collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this car has had a full multi-point health check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.